Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope that you are well. In our last video, we did part 2 of our Haraka, where we learned about the Kasra and the sound that it makes. Kasra is also known as Zair, and it has an I sound. We did the Arabic alphabet, the entire Arabic alphabet with the sound. So in this video, we will be doing our first practice exercise with the Kasra, which is this one over here, from this point up until this point, inshallah. This is the Arabic alphabet in no specific order. So we will be going through these 3 lines, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ba, Kasra, B. Ta, Kasra, T. Tha, Kasra, Thi. Jim, Kasra, G. Kha, Kasra, Khi. Ra, Kasra, Ri. Za, Kasra, Zi. Fa, Kasra, Fi. Ha, Kasra, Hi. Ya, Kasra, Yi. Waw, Kasra, Wi. Dal, Kasra, Di. Dal, Kasra, Di. Noon, Kasra, Ni. Qaf, Kasra, Qi. Kaf, Kasra, Ki. Lam, Kasra, Li. Alif, Kasra, I. Kho, Kasra, Khi. Ain, Kasra, I. Ghain, Kasra, Ghi. Sin, Kasra, Si. Shin, Kasra, Shi. To, Kasra, Ti. Dho, Kasra, Dhi. Sod, Kasra, Si. Sod, Kasra, Si. Alhamdulillah, and well done on completing our first practice exercise with the Kasra. In our next video, inshallah, we will try to do this practice exercise on the next page. But in the meantime, do some more practice of the Arabic alphabet with these letters. These are some short Arabic words which we will go through, inshallah. And then we will do another lesson which will then combine the Fatha and the Kasra in one word. So that is very exciting to progress with our Haraka, inshallah. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Love and salams.